I'm rolling. On a ba. Oh yeah. Where you at, buddy? Where you at? Where you at? John, I'm gonna get all fucked up in my line right here. There he goes. Yep. Do it, bro. I'm gonna cut this other line, I think. I don't want to. I don't want to. Cut this other line. Whoa, yeah. Yes, it was, John. Come on. Come on, beast. Nice. Come on, bull. You know, average probably maybe 20. It's a bull. Oh yeah, come on. Keep your nose in the water. I don't see any, bro. That's why I'm kind of trying to leave him swim, you know. My bait's still in the water somewhere. Oh shit. He's about to get tangled in my other line. You got a live one on? Good.
Don't worry, you can always cut your other line and let it just slip away. Feel that fucker, Craig. Gap it.
Missed. Oh.
He wants in your boat, look. Get him in the boat now.
Yeah, he does one in my boat.
Alright, pull him in. Beautiful, Greg. Good job, brother. Fuck yes, that's why we are out here.
Hey, John.
Right there. That's what we're doing out here. I'm so fucking jealous.
Where's your camera?
It's dead.
What?
Battery.
Yeah.
That's why I said we should have fucking gone to the dock before we came out. Woo, buddy! Hello, mahi mahi.
How you like that?
Meet ya. Where's your friends?
Keep fishing it.
I like to meet your friends. Good job, Greg. You're making me fucking jealous, but we're good.
Look at that shot, bro.
Good man.
Yeah, John. Yeah! Where you at, Patrick?
That's why we going fishing, nigga!